guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this for the first time, hello new best friend. My name is Joanna and I hope you choose to stay. Please do click that subscribe button to become a new family member of our amazing family. And if you are a returning subscriber, a regular roll one, hello J Nation, da Sanbonani, hello. Thank you so much for coming back for yet another video. Please do not forget to show your girl some love by giving this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below, share my content, please. I beg, guys. Road to 400 subscribers. Oh, that was such a long intro. It's been a while. I've been away. Well, I haven't been away. I've been taking content for you guys. But I'm so sorry, guys. I haven't been really interacting with you guys. Ooh, it's just a long story. I just thought, you know what? Let me just put up content for you guys, and then yes, right? As long as the content is posted, as long as I'm trying to be consistent, kesana. But yeah, welcome back to another video, another vlog, just a mini video. I think I'm going to stick to my short vlogs. I noticed you guys don't watch long videos, so maximum should be 10 minutes. Above that, I will have to find a way to shorten the video until it reaches 9 minutes to 10 minutes. Yeah, I think I'll do that. I'll stick to that until there's probably more improvement on my watch hours. Then I might consider doing, or rather posting, long videos. So yeah, on this, or rather in this vlog, it's just maintenance. Going out for lunch with my girls. We tried this new restaurant. It's not really new actually. Key olives and plates, go Waterfall. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. And to the new ones, this Kalibala who share my content, guys, please, hey, like, comment, I'll see you guys before this video ends. I just needed to do this intro and then cut it short. Anyways, did my nails. Why am I showing my eyelashes? Did my nails. It's been 2 weeks now. Did my eyelashes. Batung Lona, I am never doing eyelashes ever again. I went through the most for the second time. So what had happened for the first time I did them, I thought it's this girl, probably the glue her hair is not quality or something. Woke up with swollen eyes. I had white things in my eyes, but they're not red. They're just very painful and swollen. And then second time I did them, I'm like, let me just try someone new and different. Went to this girl, Komidolensi, very beautiful work, neat, but my left eye, it was red. It was painful. I couldn't sleep. So hygiene really played a huge role. I am never gonna do them again. I'm so scared. Maybe I should try those expensive girlies body classic F550 or something. I don't know, guys. I don't think I'm willing to risk it like that for my eyes. No ways.
Put your picture on my mirror. Start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand up, my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. You come around like this, baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by, so I gotta be right. X's and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone, get nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. I see your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the #1 topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're trying to start for a sign. What's the reason why? You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm not gonna run out, just gonna stand here and sleep. Oh, oh, yeah. Hey, baby, I see you. So sexy, boy, so sexy, boy.
You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find why I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it for me. Tell me something, yes, yes. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body.
Say not me the mess of my mind, and not me to make you free of my mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be lie. Say every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you goodbye. Yeah, if you leave, I'm struggling your life, baby. Loving your body, baby, as you're whining.